Hello everyone, I am Dr. Parimkania, presently working with SAL Engineering and Technical Institute in Chemical Engineering Department as an Assistant Professor for Chemistry.
Hello, this is Suhani Rawal, working as an Assistant Professor at Kankeshwari Dev Institute of Technology, Chapman. Okay, as we all know, recently JTU has introduced the subject called Design Engineering in the third semester students, and for that we are designing 3 canvases. The first canvas is empathy canvas, the second one is the ideation canvas, and the third one is product development canvas. So let me explain you one by one. The first one is the empathy canvas, in which we are going to interact or directly attach with the users or the problem or the people nearby us. So recently we have just observed the day the Prime Minister has observed, that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So that was the thinking going on in my mind. So we thought for the environmental pollution regarding that. So which are the users for this problem? So the users may be any citizens, the living plants, organisms, or society, industries. They are the general problems or the users coming up. And the stakeholders. Stakeholders are the persons coming indirectly or directly nearby the users, which are the citizens, living organisms, GPCB, that is Gujarat Pollution Control Board, or Central Pollution Control Board, the societies, NGOs, institutes, or companies and industries. Now, activities are those things which are carried out either by the users or by the stakeholders. So, depending upon that, I have included all the activities that are awareness, surveys, that is air, water, noise pollution, and land pollution. Then R-Cube, that we all know, that is reduce, reuse, recycle, and audits that has been carried out in the industries, institutes, hotels, restaurants, all that things, and then going to the disposal, treatment, segregation type, and so all these activities are being carried out by the users. Now, next step is the storyboarding. Depending on the activities, we are going to take the storyboarding either in the happy moment or in the sad moment. Now, for the example, I have taken Manibhai Patel, which is a GPCB employee. Now, he has done one project in which he is collecting the waste, organizing one project in different areas of the cities, and then he is doing audits, surveys, and employing the staffs, servants, then trucks, and all the dustbins like that to the cities and other areas. And he was totally satisfied that government also supported him to do so. Then the sad part in the story was that he was not able to give the time to his family and all that things. And so there were a lot of problems created at the family side. So these are the sad side, and at the end there were a lot of issues regarding that, and he could not give time to his project also, and he was a lot of confused. So carrying over to the next canvas, this is the ideation canvas, in which we have to include people, activities, situation, context, and location depending upon the activities, and then props and possible solution which are going to use by the users. So in people, there are we have to include all of the people which are doing all the activities in controlling the pollution or creating the pollution, all negative and positive things. That is, the servants, that may be male, female, electrician, NGO, citizen, society, GPCB, CPCB, ministers, or the higher authorities, patients, animals also, then advocate, police staff also. And in activities, we have to include all the activities done by each and every people, either maybe at home, or any workplace, or any other place, public places. That means, for example, doctor can do surgery also. At operation, like then kids can do dancing. Then mothers at their home, either they are receiving kids from the school, they are dropping to the school, then they are playing, either they are listening music or like that. And the GPCB or officers like that, they are doing the treatment of the pollution, then collection of waste, then depends of the waste, segregation of the waste, and then I will hand over to Dr. Kania.
Okay, the based on the ideation canvas that we are seeing the people, involvement of people, their activities, based on their activities, what is the location, context, situation, based on the activities that running the restaurant. If you are running the restaurant, then the situation in the city, mid of the city, any location like rural, urban, you can run the restaurant. So all the people, all the activities done at all different location, context, situation with different kind of props with the possible solution. What can we do if we run the restaurant in urban area as well as rural area? So there are some different activities at different location, and based on that the pollution will be as well as the different in rural as well as in the urban area. Air, land, water, noise, these are the pollution which created by those activities at different situation, context, location, at like using different props like pumps, vehicles, as well as vegetable, as well as some land. It is very difficult to prevent this kind of I think pollution, and based on this, now moving to our third product. Now based on this product development canvas, the purpose was that we have to design or define any instrument which can control the pollution or reduce the pollution. Based this thing on mind, we have to choose one very little or very small portion of the pollution like solid waste management. How can we manage the solid waste using our device? Okay, in this context, some people may be engaged in this like GPCBs, municipal corporator, any society, minister, citizens. Those kind of people are engaged with the solid waste and how we can manage. What are the product experience? It should be excellent. The awareness should be there. Cleanliness should be there. Health, fitness, helpful, damage free. What are the product functions? It will segregate, sensing of waste, separation of all kind of solid waste, and as well as distribution. Okay. In the product features, easy to assess, affordable, live detection, online reporting, attractive, feasible, compact, feedback, evaluation, software. Okay. So these are our product feature. We have thinking that we can devise such kind of instrument that will segregate the all kind of solid waste like plastic, glass, food waste, e-waste. This device will be based on the sensing, do all this waste different portion, and then this portion will go for the further treatment. And we can use the component like sensors, like vehicles, GPS system, Wi-Fi, so we can monitor at our end very easily where these trucks are going or where these vehicles are going, at which area, which street. Because the GPS system is there, we can monitor through Wi-Fi. Based on this, we have some putting some software for the data generated in which area, which kind of what kind of the waste are generated maximum. So we can use this device very effectively. Based on this, there's some customer valuation that is very useful, effective, time saving, efficient, effective, environmentally friendly and affordable. Based on this, some I think only we have get only two, that what are the initial cost and the fuel consumption. But it is very compact and very easy to run for this the solid waste management to segregate all kind of solids. Thank you.